Hi friends, today we will verify an YouTube channel using our smartphone. The process is same if you are using a laptop or a PC. Now, you must be wondering, why should we verify our channel? Here comes the benefits. After phone verification, you can post videos longer than 15 minutes. You can make your own custom thumbnails. You can live stream and you can appeal content ID cases. Account verification is a vital step to create a valid channel. Anyone who wants to monetize their YouTube channel should verify their account. So friends, welcome to Tech Recipes. How to verify an YouTube channel? So first, let's open YouTube from Chrome browser. Open YouTube in Chrome and log in with your channel ID. Tap on three dots top right, select desktop site. Now the web page will open as in laptop or PC. Tap on the channel logo top right, then settings. Select channel from left hand menu and tap on feature eligibility at the top. See that the default features are enabled, whereas the features that require phone verification are not yet enabled. So let us tap here to expand this section. Here comes the list of things that we benefit after channel verification. Now tap on this verify phone number button. Now this is step 1 of account verification process. Select your country. Next, how should we deliver verification code to you? Call me, text me. I prefer the second option. Text me the verification code. Now enter the phone number and tap submit. Next is step 2 of verification. A text message comes with 6-digit verification code. Enter the verification code that has just come. Tap submit and we get the message, "Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified." So our account verification is done. So both default features and features that require phone verification are now enabled. You can now add custom thumbnail, do live streaming and so on. So that was it. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next video.